It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today magluluto tayo ng isang very classic na Pinoy recipe. Pero ang naalala ko dito ay si Ricky Martin. Bakit kaya? Dahil menudo ito.
Simple, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. So kahit very tito yung joke ko, ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay very classic na Pinoy recipe na sobrang sarap. Kaya sisimulan natin, meron akong 3/4 kilo na pork kasim from Fresh Options. And it's diced into mga 1/3 of an inch, no? Or half an inch na size. So pwede naman kayo magbili ng menudo cut. Yan. So, marinate lang natin yung ating pork with soy sauce, dato puti soy sauce, and calamansi. Yan, medyo maraming calamansi. Then let it sit for a while to absorb all the flavors. Ito kasi it's small cuts. Medyo mabilis lang yung marination natin, kahit 10 to 15 minutes. Pwede na. Yan. I'll put that aside. And of course, magsisimula tayo sa paggigisa natin. Yung pwede natin gawing panggisa, pwedeng ordinary oil. But yung gagamitin ko today for this recipe ay annatto oil. So may konti siyang color, orange color. Yan. And I'll just heat up my pan. And my oil. Yan. And saute my onions. And my garlic. Yan. Gisa-gisa hanggang bumango. Yan. And gigisahin ko na rin yung aking pork. Yan, sama ko na yung aking pork. So, it's very easy, no? Yung sa amin kasi, sa Bisaya, pag sinasabing menudo, in small portions or small pieces. So, ito, very classic to pag may piyesta, di ba? So, ililipat ko lang siya sa aking bigger burner. Yan, lipat ko lang siya dito. And I will just add my laurel leaves and black pepper. Yan. Yan. So, just to start the flavors building up. So, nagisa na natin yung ating pork. Then, lalagyan ko siya ng aking, of course, liver spread. Or kung gusto mo, you can use chicken livers, no? Yung chicken livers mo. Mash mo, pakuluan mo, then i-mash. But, ako, ginagawa ko dito, ginigisa ko din yung canned na liver spread para medyo mawala yung anggo ng konti. Kasi may konting anggo talaga yung canned liver spread. Suka, meron akong dato puti suka. Around 4 tablespoons as well. And sugar to balance. So, this is around 2 tablespoons of sugar. Na-notice mo, yung aking liver dito, aking atay, hindi ko pa hinalo because if you overcook the liver, nagiging matigas siya and nagiging grainy. And what I'm doing right now is that binababad ko yung aking pork liver in brine. Ibig sabihin tubig na may asin para matanggal yung metallic taste niya, no? And pinapasimmer ko tong aking pork. So I'll add my carrots now. Yan. So kahit wala siyang tomato sauce, medyo mapula-pula siya. And yung excess natin na marinade, hindi natin sasayangin, ilalagay na rin natin. Yan. And I will just add a bit of chicken stock, around a cup or a cup and a half to, for simmering the pork until it's tender. And I will cover the lid para magkaroon ng konting pressure to keep the heat inside. And look at that. So, medyo malambot na yung ating pork. So, the simple logic ng ginagawa natin, binibigyan lang natin ng lead time yung pork na maging malambot. Because if we put everything sabay-sabay sa pork, bago pa lumambot yung pork natin, yung ibang vegetables natin, durug-durug na. So, ito siya, medyo almost na siya fully cook yung ating pork, pero hindi pa siya quite tender kasi may lulutuin pa tayo, so hahabol na lang siya. So, we add our liver, which has been soaking in our salted water. Yan, look at that, diba? Natatanggal yung ang daming nagiging medyo cloudy, very cloudy yung ating water kasi na-release nga yung whatever toxins. The metallic taste niya, discard that. We add our potatoes. Red bell pepper. Kung gusto mo may hotdog, lalagyan natin ng hotdog. Kung ayaw mo, wag mo lagyan. Yan. Basta, you get the concept of the dish. Add the hotdogs. Raisins. Yung ayaw may raisins, wag mo ding lagyan. Pero ako, gusto kong may raisins. Yan. And, of course, another optional ingredient, pickle relish. So, lalagyan ko din ng pickle relish. Yan. And I'm just going to mix. So, very festive na yung itsura ng ating menudo. Of course, I will just add a little bit more black pepper and salt. I'll just season it with a little bit more salt. And let it continue to cook. Menudo, fiesta menudo. And let's check on our menudo. Add natin yung ating green peas. I'm so happy. Again, ito yung mga isa sa mga dishes pag ninuto mo ngayon, mas masarap bukas pag may matira. Yan. Here it is, our version of menudo. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!